Hey, we got great voice for riders today. Great weather. Yeah, great hospitality.
Okay.
And here they come. Let's see who
This
wants
one
to
and
sit
then
back. Oh, there's two of them now.
Falta cuatro.
Okay, who wants the 2 6-packs of Sierra Nevada Junior Pilsner beer? Who wants the beer?
Clear the left.
Vamos, vamos. Falta cuatro. What is that? What is that?
Okay.
Mami, ¿qué es eso?
So we'll have After the 30 plus, we've got the Masters 55, Delta 60 plus Cat 1 Ford, which is always an exciting race.